Meet PictoBlox, a scratch-based graphical programming platform that makes learning to code super fun. You can create exciting projects, control robots with ease, make your own games, and control your characters with hardware in real time. Just snap some blocks together and you have an entire singing garden. Or try the same with Python by switching to the realm of advanced programming. Upload the code to your robot and drag the shackles binding it to the computer. Or just code on your phone and interact with it wirelessly. Use your favorite boards like evive, Arduino Uno, Mega, Nano, ESP32 and others, and extend the possibility of what your projects can do with the inbuilt extensions. Give your projects moves that make heads turn. Track and control your surroundings effortlessly by giving senses to your projects. Add expressions and make them interact visually. Unlock the hidden powers of your smartphone and transform it into a PS controller and more. Light up your life the DIY way. Use gestures to play games. Or dive deep into the world of IoT with projects like the Global Weatherman, Home Automation, and many others. With PictoBlox, the possibilities of creating magic are infinite. And there are numerous tutorials and online courses to help you create this magic. So hop on board and begin your coding journey with PictoBlox.